All right, and the last week that I have curated for you was the rock cycle. Again, if you click on here, in here, I actually, it's not enough days because I have that Friday off, but I actually have put the notes in here. Like if you wanted to like go over notes, here's the slideshow. And then I've also given them the guided notes. Sometimes I do give them guided notes. So that way, because it's teacher led, they don't have to worry about writing every single thing down. You can give them this and then they just fill in the blanks. Okay, so the first day I have a teacher led slideshow for you guys set up here. And so it kind of like goes over the rock cycle. It is an activity. So first you want to like just give them some information about it. And so I gave them a brain pop video. If you don't have a login, if you just click on it, there's a YouTube video of it here. But the actual video from the brain pop website would probably be better quality. And then there's a Snickers activity. You would have to definitely buy some miniature Snickers or have the school buy them. And then here are the steps for it. And then here are the follow-up questions that the students can answer in their notebook. There's a microwave in the back room. So when I use the microwave, normally what I'll do is just bring it out for that group. And this is probably something actually you may want to do in the lab for the other classes. For 6H and 6L, for 6J, you can stay in our classroom. It's fine. But I go ahead and take this out because you probably do want to go in the lab, actually, now that I think about it. Okay, so that's for that one day. And then the next, so I have here a breakdown of how many groups. It's 6 groups, 3 classes. So you'll probably need about 18 Snickers. So that's probably one bag. You only need the little miniature ones. You don't need the big ones. The next day, they have the Starburst lab. You'll also need to buy Starburst or, again, have the school buy it. I've created the remote learners copy here that you can just add on to Google Classroom. And then here is the Starburst lab activity. It's also the answer key here. So you don't want to, of course, give it to them. But you can print it out for the in-person learners. And then, of course, here is your copy. The next thing is stations. So I know they get taught of this, but it's really good material. If you look at it, you'll see it kind of like goes over what the rock cycle is. It goes over like different kinds of rocks and like their names. Like, that's really big in Texas. It's really big on the Texas teaching exam as well. So yeah, and then here's the answer key. So one day is perfectly fine because I took a lot of it out. I just kept some slides. So if they don't finish it in class, they need to finish it for homework. And then here are some task cards where they can just like go over the information. Here's the recording sheet. You'll have to print this out. Make sure you print out enough for 6 groups, maybe one extra because they like to like lose stuff. And then the recording sheet, and then your answer key. And then again, there's no school on Friday because they have school conferences. All right. Thank you.